Peanut butter bars are an easy no-bake treat that tastes just like a Reese's peanut butter cup. Packed with creamy peanut butter and topped with a thick layer of chocolate, these peanut butter bars make the perfect dessert. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. Break up 2 sleeves of graham crackers and add them to a food processor. Blend the graham crackers until they are fine crumbs. If you do not have a food processor, use a rolling pin to crush the graham crackers into fine crumbs. Pour the graham cracker crumbs into a small bowl and set the bowl aside. Add 1 cup of cubed unsalted butter to a large microwave-safe bowl and microwave in 25-second intervals until the butter is fully melted. Add 1 cup of creamy peanut butter to the melted butter. Use a hand or stand mixer and mix until combined. Add 1 2/3 of a cup of confectioner sugar to the mixture. Use a spatula and fold in the confectioner sugar to avoid it dusting everywhere when using the hand or stand mixer. Continue mixing with a hand or stand mixer until the consistency is smooth. Pour 1 cup of the graham cracker crumbs into the peanut butter mixture. Use a spatula to fold the crumbs into the mixture until they are completely coated. Make sure to get any crumbs on the sides and bottom of the bowl mixed in. Add the remaining 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs to the mixture and continue folding it in. Add the mixture to an 8x8 baking pan lined with parchment paper. Use a spatula and evenly flatten the mixture out, making sure it reaches the corners and sides of the baking pan. In a small microwave-safe bowl, melt 2 cups of chocolate chips in the microwave in 25-second intervals, stirring after each interval. Once the chocolate is fully melted, add 4 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter and mix it in. Pour the melted chocolate onto the mixture. Use a spatula and spread the chocolate out evenly, making sure it reaches the corners and sides of the baking pan. Feel free to use any types of chocolate chips, like milk, dark, or even white chocolate chips. Place the baking pan in the refrigerator for about 1 hour to harden. Cut this no-bake peanut butter treat into bars or bite-sized pieces. Store these peanut butter bars in the refrigerator for up to 1 week or freeze them for up to 3 months. If you love no-bake desserts, check out my Nutella bar recipe in the link above or the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.